All right, so I'm gonna have us do a few lunges on the chair. So I have one spring on the bottom and one spring right above that. So I have two springs on. So you wanna always be really careful coming up to the chair. You wanna be hip width apart. If you need to hold on to something, set the chair up so you could hold on to something while you're doing this. So I'm just gonna start coming up to the top. Adjusting, you could always do arms out or hands on the hips to stabilize. Straight leg down and up, engaging the glutes. We'll just do 10 of everything. 8, 7, 6, really balance, stabilize. 4, 3, you can always hold the magic circle. 2, last one, and then I'm gonna go halfway down and do pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to hinge forward and now bend the knee in and out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting. I'm actually going to come up and just switch the leg. Okay, so definitely felt that in the glutes and the legs. You want to keep the abs in. Find your balance. Down, up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, halfway pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hinge forward, bend in, stretch out. 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, rest. I'm gonna come up. Okay, good. Next one, we're gonna go into side lunges. So I'm turning the foot. I'm gonna bring this foot back a little bit. So you can either be in line with the hip or past the hip a little bit. This foot's turned out diagonally. The challenge is to keep this hip square. Down, up. These are a little bit harder, I think. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to hinge forward, bend in, stretch out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. Woo! Definitely felt that. Okay, we're going to do the other side and then we'll do a little stretch. Okay. Make sure you're set up good. Square the hips. And then going down and up. If you need to hold on to something, hold on because you don't want to compromise. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hinge forward, bend in, stretch out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. I'm going to carefully come down. Carefully coming off the chair. Those were hard. Let's do a stretch after that. So I'm going to have us do pigeon stretch. I'm going to take one spring off. And then you want to bend one leg, extend the other leg out. Hands on the pedals, stretch. Ooh, those are challenging. It's also a really hard balance exercise. I'll do a rotate, stretch. Other side. One more, both hands on. Awesome, and then we'll switch the legs and stretch. Ooh, both hands on. The pigeon stretch is definitely a challenge, especially if you have tight hips. Rotate, stretch. Ooh. Other way. Awesome, and those are some lunges on the chair. Very challenging. I love the chair though. Till next time.